Hey there, you wonderful human. I hope you're doing well. Myself, Nini, and I welcome you back to the channel that is less of mine and more of us. In today's video, we are going to talk about habits. Actually, toxic habits that are slowly and silently killing our better self. So without any delay, let's get started. Our habits either make us or break us. Basically, our habits are our daily life, something we do on a daily basis without even realizing it. Our sleeping habits, our self-talk habits, our content consumption habits, our eating habits, and so much more. All of these habits either take us a step closer to our better self or take us 100 steps away from that better self. Now you'll say that
except for using my phone excessively, I don't have any bad habits. I don't smoke, I don't drink, or for that matter, consume any sort of intoxicating substance.
Nice.
these habits undoubtedly break a human into pieces, and getting rid of them is a real tough job. But there are several other toxic and bad habits no one is talking about. These habits are slower and silent killers of our better self and our success. Let's see 7 of these toxic habits today. To start with, habit number 1 is procrastination. This is the biggest problem with a huge majority. This is the biggest problem with me as well. अच्छा कर लेंगे ना, अभी थोड़ी देर में करते हैं यार, 5 मिनट का तो काम है, कर लेंगे. These are my reactions whenever I am handed some tasks to complete. And I guess you too have similar reactions. But don't worry, I have figured out 2 techniques that are helping me to beat procrastination to a very large extent. Technique number 1 is the 5-minute rule. Whenever I have to get a task done, I tell myself that I'll be doing it for 5 minutes only, and after that I'll leave it. 9 out of 10 times I end up finishing the task because we only need 5 minutes at any task to get into the flow of doing it. And once we get into that flow, job done. And technique number 2 is the 2-minute rule. If any task will take less than 2 minutes to finish, then do it immediately. No need to procrastinate it. Habit number 2 is self-doubt. This is another big killer of our success. What generally happens is that we don't trust ourselves, we don't believe in ourselves, and we defend ourselves by saying,
No one trusts me, they don't trust me, how can I trust myself?
the right approach is that no one will ever trust us until and unless we trust ourselves, until and unless we believe in ourselves. If you don't trust yourself, if you don't believe in yourself, how the hell can you expect others to trust and believe you? Think about this one. Habit number 3 is negative self-talk. What and how we talk to ourselves defines our personality to a huge extent. If you said to yourself that I don't deserve love, I'm not worthy of love, there are no chances that you'll ever feel loved. Even if people around you love you, your heart, mind and body will never be open to accept those love because you said to yourself that you don't deserve to be loved. Habit number 4 is avoiding your fears. Running away from your fears is like running away from a dog who is tied to one of your legs. No matter how hard you try, you won't be able to go so far. Therefore, it is always better to challenge yourself to confront your fears head on and get rid of it. Remember, fears are powerful only till the moment we run away from it. Now, fear of failure is the most common one. In my opinion, one of the best ways to overcome the fear of failure is to change your perspective towards failure and start seeing it as life's way of teaching you and making you much stronger than your weaknesses. A little change in perspective can help you overcome a lot of fears, especially the fear of failure. Habit number 5 is comparison. Imagine if the seeds of a banyan tree that takes 5 years to grow starts to compare itself with the seeds of small plants that hardly take 15 to 20 days to grow. What can happen? We know better. There is no point of comparison, right? Both of these have their own duties and beauties. We need both a banyan tree and a small plant. The same is the case with humans. All of us have unique life stories with very common problems. Comparing your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 20 is just not done. This is one of the most dangerous ways to waste your time. There's a whole bunch of people sitting out there to compare you with others. Let them do that. You focus on yourself. You compare yourself with the yesterday's version of yourself. That is the right way to do it. Habit number 6 is seeking perfection. Perfection is a myth. There's nothing called as a perfect human. Being human means being imperfect, and that's the beauty of human species. The perfect time to start, the perfect family, the perfect relationship, the perfect friendship, the perfect house, none of this exists in the real world. Everything is imperfect and we are required to work on our imperfections. For me, that's life. Remember, done is 1,000 times better than perfect. And the last one, habit number 7, holding grudges. I remember you did this to me lakhs of years ago. I will never forgive you for this one. These feelings are doing no wrong to the other person but to you only. Learn to forgive people without an apology, because forgiving is never about others. It's only about you yourself. When you forgive, you free yourself from a cage you were never meant to be in. So forgive them and free yourself. I know getting rid of these toxic habits is easier said than done, but you will have to do it. You are meant for bigger things in life, my dear friend. You can't afford to waste your time and energy on these toxic habits and practices. There are tons of people out there sitting aimlessly and just surviving through life. These toxic habits and practices are invented by such people for such people. These are not meant for you. Spot these habits in yourself and start working on them. Remember, self-cleaning is what you need the most right now. So do it. If you have any feedback for me or any question, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video on Thursday, 5:15 p.m. sharp. Until then, worry less, live more.